That made Pepsi become number 2. When you go to Jollibee, but when you see the commercial of Jollibee, do they commercial hamburger?
No.
They commercial values. Family values, relationships, tama?
Yes.
Because when you trust something, you will buy it.
Yes.
Because they establish the trust.
Yes.
Because I have here a marketing principle. They're called the product life cycle. I want to explain that before the leaders, no? Before yung leadership na topic ko. Have you noticed the graph? Every product, no matter how good it is, it will be introduced, then they will grow, then it will reach the peak. What is the next line? The next decline. No matter how good the product is. That's the reason why the commercial of San Miguel beer is Barcada. It's not the beer. Getting this? Why? Because it will eventually any product will experience a lot of concerns. Prices, dissatisfaction of customer, no matter how good it is. And another thing is for a product like us, like we are health supplement, tama ba? Tama-tama nakita ko si Dr. Jenny. In the law of medicine, there is what you call, kalimutan ko tuloy. Yun. Therapeutic privilege. Sorry, Doctor. Just ito kanina no? Therapeutic privilege. What does therapeutic privilege means? That if you are a doctor who will prescribe a medicine, you have to tell the goodness of the product, and at the same time, you have to tell the bad side effects. If you are the doctor, will you do that? You will not, right? That's the reason why no doctors will ever say that the medicine that they prescribe can cure, can heal. Diba? So, how much more with a natural supplement? So that's the third point. The first point is a lot of concern. The second point is the therapeutic privilege. You cannot, in Japan, if you say the effect of product outside the office, you will be jailed in 2 years. But they are growing today. In Taiwan, it's the same. If you give a testimony outside the office, you will be jailed in 2 years. But why Taiwan is growing? Let me submit to you. Let me submit to you. The product of Breeway is for clear. For what? To sell? No. For the leaders to use. Because the product of this kind of industry are leaders to reproduce.
Yeah.
When I started, I made huge in Breeway. Allow me to say that. I made scandalous amount. Yeah, so much to say. Because bawal daw magsalita ng figure, no? So, si Joel na lang, kasi dahil pera yan. Anyway, so, I earned a lot, but I never sold a single bottle in the last 5 years to 6 years now. Never. Because from the beginning, my focus is to build leaders because I know leaders will stay, but the sales will always end. In this industry, if you remember, hindi nyo pala alam yun, kami ni na Joel, we were here. During the grand opening, day before, we had a meeting with our general manager, James Chong. And he spoke here, and this is what he said. Sabi ni James Chong, are we going to have a grand opening because of sales? Do you think our big boss, Lim Boon Hong, is after the sales? Are the 6 branches opening is about the sales? Sabi niya, no. It's about leaders. Therefore, let me submit to you, for you to grow in this business, is to create Reway leaders. And what is a Reway leaders? Let me show you something. And I'm sure you're familiar with this. You heard this. This is the principle of Big Boss. He call it the black box. Who among you remember this?
Yeah.
Diba? Tinuro yan ni Big Boss. So when people enter Reway system, if you say Reway system, if you say Reway system, that is the one that you tee up when you are outside. Kasi pag masyado kang magaling sa labas, titignan ka ng tao mula ulo hanggang paa. The technique is called ABC that was discussed by our Diamond Trista Diane Marahas in Pampanga yesterday. That in ABC there's what you call advisor. And what is the advisor? Sabi niya, leaders, tools, and meetings. So when you're outside, I'm ahead of myself. When you're outside, you don't tee up yourself, you tee up something that they are about to see. James Chong one time told me inside this room that don't be too much details outside. Because facts tells, stories sell. So just tell the story of people in Reway, the story of about the event, and sabi niya, the most important thing is people must come and see. That's the technique in this business. So that they will come. You know, this morning someone wanted to buy product from me. And he wanted me to explain. Sabi ko, you know, if you want to learn more, not from me, give a time to come to the office. So that you can learn it in the office. Di mo mas madali, mas simple?
Yes.
Now, going to the black box, when you pass through the black box, the Reway system are the tools, the meetings, and the leaders. That's the reason why when you come here, let the leaders talk to your prospect. But sometimes, ikaw yung nagdala ng prospect, ikaw rin ang kumakausap. Sabi ng prospect, magkapit bahay tayo. Alam ko na ikaw kakausap sa akin, dapat doon na lang tayo sa bahay nagkapit. Di ba? Because we don't understand the business. The business is about them being inspired by another.
Yes.
When I started, marunong naman ako sa negosyo nito eh. Pero saan niya ako pinapakilala sila Tita Linda? Kay Lani Santa Ana. Kung sino-sino, di ba? Noong mga araw si Tita Linda, anong kasama ko yan dito? Pag nagpapapicture yan, nakantali ko. Kasi malalaman ng kabilang kumpanya. Diba? Parang ko sa Facebook. Kaya ang dami marami nagsabi, ang ganda pala ng likod ni Tita Linda. Kasi yung lahat ang nakita, di ba? So, you know, my point is for her to be acquainted with a lot of people because this business is about family. When you enter into the black box will turn you into a leader. Eros mentioned about be, do, have. Narinig nyo kanina, di ba? But most people, they want to have muna, saka sila gagawa, at saka, you know what will happen if you baliktad? Having, doing, and being. Ganito yan. You want to have, then you do, you become greedy. Yeah. You know, let me explain this. Reway has, what are Reway leaders? Reway leaders has these 6 core values. The goal is for them to pass through the black box so that they become Reway. James Chong, when we went in Korea, kagagaling lang namin sa Korea, no? Kami ni na Joel, no? One thing we learn in Korea, maraming Koreano. So, wala tuloy yung kwento ni James Chong. Okay, sabi pala ni James Chong, simple. Sabi niya, you know, this business is simple. Imitate the company, then you will be imitated by your people, and then your people will be imitated by their people. That's how simple it is. Sabi nga ni Jaime kanina, sabi raw ni Robert, don't ask, just follow. Alam mo, paulit-ulit na tayo tinuturuan ng kumpanya, no? Hindi ko maintindihan, hindi pa rin natin nakukuha. And it's because if you pass through this system of freeway, what will change you is just not just the pocket, but your value as a leader. Kanina may kausap ako sa swimming pool at Chinese. Sabi niya, namatay ang auntie ko, sipag, gawa ng gawa, trabaho. Nung namatay siya, kami ang maghahati ng pera, sabi niya. Sabi ko, hindi niya na-enjoy. Hindi naman na-enjoy ka. Sometimes like that. Diba? But in Riway, you will become a complete person. Yun ang goal. Maging complete person ka. Let me give you an example about financial. Way back before, I was in, Tita Linda was my upline in that other company, you know. And I was invited by someone to do a money game. Bitcoins, money game. So, I don't have an intention to join, but this guy is very perseverance. So, ako pinagbigyan ko lang. Ganun ako mapakisama, sige. But to my surprise, I earned 1,500 US only in 2 weeks. Oh, wow. And then this guy was, talagang inaano ako, attend ka naman ng event sa Shangri-La, yung sa Shangri-La. Sabi ko, mahirap na. Kasi baka makita ako doon. Hindi ako pwede kasi leader ako dito eh. But mag-present doon tayo sa likod. Doon tayo upo. Siyempre upo naman ako sa likod, sumama ako, nakikisama ako eh. Tapos sabi ng mga tao, ay sir, hindi tayo nagkita. Lahat ng tuwa, ay sir, hindi tayo nagkita ha. Hindi tayo dyan. Nagrapon, akala mong nanalo ako. Napunta ako ngayon dun sa harap. But this is the real story. In 9 months, I made 8 million. Yeah. But this is something that I learned. In that 8 million, wala akong nabili for the family. I was not even able to buy a car. I was not even able to... Ang dami namin utang, di namin nabayaran. Yung alahas ng asawa kong natulog na sa FT Raymundo, hindi namin natubos. Oo. So, binabayaran lang namin yung interest. Wala akong na-accomplish. You know why? Because when money doesn't have values, it will be wasted. Yet in Riway, in just 2 years, nabayaran namin lahat ng utang namin.
Wow.
In 2 years, natubos namin ang lahat ng alahas ng asawa kong nagtutulog sa FT Raymundo. Tapos pinamana niya sa kapatid niya. And now, she can buy, kasi mahilig sa alahas ng asawa ko, she can buy, kagagaling nag-iipon na ulit sila ng jewelry. Yun ang hobby niya eh. Happy wife, happy family. Besides, I don't have wallet, she got all. Galing then galing kami sa Korea, nabudol na naman ang asawa ko doon. No? Pero amethyst tayo mo, titigit-tigit sa akin. Palagay mo, sige. Ilagay mo. But, because, why like that? Big Boss discussed money game in Thailand. Do you remember?
Yes.
Because most people think that money game is better than the opportunity in the way. Meron nga isang money game, kinausap ko yung sabi ko, tol, okay ba ako dyan? Unilevel yan, grabe breakage niyan. Paano kikita ng malaki yan? O, tingnan nyo to. Sabihin mo ng $150 times 2, sabi ko sa kanya. Dalawa. Actually, kalahati lang ang earning doon. Pinag-aralan ko eh. Kalahati lang ang earning. O sabihin natin buo. Sabi ko, i-multiply mo yan ng 8%, which is the biggest provision of the percentage. At i-multiply mo ng 58 pesos per dollar times 30, pare, 19,800 lang yan. In Riway, 2 tao, nakuha mo, magkano? 14 plus 14, 28. Layo. Tanggalin mo pa yung direct referral. Hindi ko pa nga sinama, tama? But why people are attracted to that. Because they offer opportunity, we offer product. Am I right?
Yes.
Big Boss says, our business, do you know when Big Boss designed our, Dato Kenny designed our compensation plan? And even the employees of Relay, you know what he said? I want to make sure that our employees above any industry. I want to make sure that every members of Relay will receive above industry. If you're a one-star, your salary is almost a salary of a vice president. But what is important is values of leaders. Diba? Financial values, healthy lifestyle. You know, one thing I realized, in a non-value business, people don't value their health. Walang tulog. No, bro, yayaman tayo dito, sabi sa akin. Ang gabi dito. Wala nang tulugan. Hindi mo pwede matulog. Wala na. Yayaman tayo. Sige. You know what I mean? Because they don't value health. There is no value. And that's the reason why our second value is healthy lifestyle. Number 3 is social skills. You know what the social skills means? Riway is so good that it created a culture that when you are inside it, when you sit down in this room, people doesn't need to speak. You will feel the professionalism of people inside this room. When we were first attracted in Riway, my wife and I were invited in Singapore, and we were not yet registered. So we attended Singapore during the time because sabi may extra hotel. So pumunta kami doon. Eh wala akong interpretation. Wala pong interpretation eh. Pag tumawa, tawa kami. Kaya naman tayo kasali. Tawa. Tapos mamaya, may pumalakpak tayo. Tapos bigla nagkagulo, ano nangyari? Tapos dumating si Seth, promo. Okay. Yes! Ganon. But my wife doesn't like this industry so much because I've been in this business for so long. The promise that I was telling never been fulfilled. Diba yung networking, not working. Diba? Ganun ang nangyari. Diba? So, my wife is, pag sinabi mo, ay siguro dito, ito na, yayaman na tayo. Sabi na sa ako, sige. But, after that event, I was shocked. We were in the Grab. Sabi niya, parang iba yun. Parang subukan mo kaya yun. Sabi ko, ano kayang maligno ang naray na sa ako doon? Di ba parang wala naman kami naintindihan. Although masasarap ang pagkain, di ba? Sarap naman ang pagkain, di ba? May init. Di ba? Tapos pagdating namin sa hotel, nasa hotel na kami, wala tuloy nangyari. Kasi sabi niya, itong gagawin natin, pero plano. In the first 6 months dapat, kumita ka ng ganito. Pero ito yung sabi niya, why don't you try that? Parang iba yun. And I was, for the first time that I heard it from her, sabi ko, wow, anong inkanto ito? So, I came in, and hindi mo kailangan ditong maging magaling. Don't ask, just follow. This is what James Chong, I remember what he says to us. Sabi niya, it's simple. The first rule is I imitate. Imitate the company, your leaders will imitate it, and that's how simple it is. Kasi ano mo maganda sa Riway? Dahil namatay ng ilaw. Okay. Ang maganda sa ibang company ganito. Let me explain to you networking. Okay lang ba? Yes. Yeah. In other company, they don't have system because the company allows the leaders to create a duplication system so that your own team will duplicate you. Kaya doon sa mga company na yung pinanggalingan ko, iba-iba eh. may Japanese, magkakaiba sila ng system. Pero yung team na yon dapat pare-pareho. Diba yung pare-pareho kayo na sinasabi, pare-pareho para madaling for the sake of the newcomer. Kasi kung lahat tayo magagaling, hindi tayo masusundan ng bago.
Tama.
Kailangan may pattern.
Yes.
So, ganun doon. But in Riway, Lim Bun Hong created the system just for you to follow. Simple. And you know, this system is so good that, sabi nga ni Eros kanina, families are here. Because whether you like it or not, in Riway, the trust level is so high. Diba? The values that the learning here will really change your family's life. Eh kung kasino ang produkto mo, paano yan mag-change ng life ng mga anak mo? Sila ang values. Diba? You know, one thing I realize in life, that the inhabitant being of a money game is greed. Yeah. And the problem with greed is this. Whether you like it or not, each and every one of you in greed will take advantage of each other a matter of time. But here we promote values. Family values. A clear decision. Dito, pag nag-decision ka, hindi ka kinakabahan. I have, most of our here, families, di ba, yan, andyan. Si Boy at saka si Marisa, nandyan. Nurse yan. Galing pa nga ng Amerika yan. Di ba? Yeah. Di ba? Sino pa ba dito? Yan, kami mag-asawa. Si Eros, si Cyril. Family are here. That is the most important. And of course, spiritual values. Spiritual values is being positive. Kanina, kausap kong Chinese, sabi ko, alam mo, tagal kong nagnegosyo eh. Nagtataka ako, bakit doon sa mga negosyo yun, parang hindi ako nagkaroon ng fulfillment. And yung one thing I realized, what dawned in my mind, if the values of the company is right, the more you gain wisdom to produce money. But if you don't have that, if there is no values, just a matter of time, sandali lang yan, kayo mismo magkakagulo. Because greed always do not build a real relationship. It will never build a relationship. So, now, anong gagawin natin? What are we going to do? Ako ngayon, I'm really practicing. When I invite people, I invite them to these values. Because if you have these values, people will trust us and we will grow. There is a guy in America by the name of Holton Bucks. Hindi ko nasasabihin ko ng kumpanya, baka sumali pa kayo doon. No? Alam mo, style niya, simple lang. When I started, you ask my wife, I never ask for sales to my people. I want them to decide on their own. Because my only goal is to build them to think Riway. Or in other company, for them to think. Kasi your goal is for them to believe and trust the company. Kahit hindi nga makapagkatiwalaan, ganun pa rin ang drive mo. Tama? But in Riway, you can trust this company 100%. You know what? You know what? Last August 2022, Big Boss came here. Wala nga nakakaalam. Parang si Big Boss lang. Ganun. In that week alone, he bought a property in Antipolo that today we have a big mansion there of Riway International.
Oh.
That's the kind of company we have. You can trust this company. Now, going back to Holton Bucks, ang style niya ganito. He will get a lot of leaders for a certain purpose. Leaders muna, being muna, yung sabi ni Eros, di ba? Being muna. So, ang gagawin niya, gagawa siya ng boot camp. Wala pa nagsasign up sa mga tao. So, are you ready? Do you want this? This is our concept. This is how we're going to do it. Are you ready? You want to be committed to our leadership? Blah, 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 blah. Iipunin niya yan. So, in other words, kukultuhin niya yung mga tao for 1 month or 2 months. And then, i-check na, guys, are you ready? We're going to be launched in the market. Are you ready? The guys said, we're ready. So, ilo-launch siya sa market yun. That's the reason why he became, ang produkto kape, naging first kape millionaires $1 million earner siya. Was $1 million in 1 year. Eh dito kinikita yun ng 1 month eh. In this company. Let me give you another example. I have a friend na i-invite ako sa isang networking local. Invite ako. Pangalan ng company, DOS. Okay? So, nag-upisa sila, invite nila ako. Tumatawa kayo. Invite ako ng may-ari. Kaya, anong i-invite nila ako? Sabi, bro, sumama naman kami rito. Tatayo kami ng company. Sabi, anong company? DOS Stress. Sabi nila, bro, bibigyan kita ng 7 slots free. Nag-launch sila ng 500 accounts. Free. Nag-pull out yung investor. Sabi niya, sira ulo pala kayo eh. Benta kayo ng wala. Umalis. That company became so big because nag-develop muna sila ng leaders. Yung leaders nandun na. And then, you know that when leaders trust the company, they will patronize every product that the company has. Guys, do you know I'm taking 10-10 since na-laser yung mata ko? Sorry, 5-5 pala, napasobra, no? And I noticed, nung nag-umpisa akong mag-5-5, kasi nagpa-laser po ako eh. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, dapat i-laser daw ako. Kasi para kung sakasakaling buksan ulit ang ABS-CBN, maging leading role ako, hindi na laser. So, nagpa-laser ako. Pero ang tagal gumaling kasi may edad na ako eh. When you are 33, tagal talaga, no? So, but when I started taking 5-5, last week nandito ako, mapula mata ko eh. Oo. Kaya umuwi ako ng maaga kasi iba natatakot, baka raw mamagat ako eh. Wala eh. Because of the laser, no? But after taking 5-5, ang bilis. Kasi tinuruan ako ni Diane Gemma eh. In Japan, you cannot say the effect of product. They have to see it in you, so you take 10-10 para bumuha ka. Para ikaw, tingin effect kita. Kaya dapat, Jaime, uminom ka rin ng 10-10, baka malagpasan kita, patay ka. You know what I mean? Isa kami nakabahan sa akin yan, na-insecure. Bro, okay na. Relax ka lang. But seriously, kasi nawawala tayo sa seryoso. The key to this business is build leaders first. Kasi if you're in sales, your business will end every sales. It will end into product cycle. Besides, you don't need to prove portier. Do you know that the more you prove portier, the more the FDA will be against us. Kasi sa FDA, hindi pwedeng gumagaling ka. Nagagalit sila. Pero pag sinabi mo, ay, yung kapitbahay ko, uminom patay. Ay, sige, supportahan namin kayo. Yan, ganyan sila. Diba? Yes, but the point is this. If you want to grow in this business, build leaders and multiply them. The sales will follow. I did that. In my first 4 months, wala ko masyadong sales. Kami na Tita Linda, nagtatago pa yan. Diba lagi nagtatago, nakatalikod. So, paano? But I indoctrinated her with what three-way is. Everything that I learned from Beth, every time I learned from Jeddah, I will... Kasi wala pa akong alam eh. Nambabaro lang ako ng strength. And then, isa ka sabi ni Tita Linda, tapos lagi ko sinusundo, Tita, merong event, sama ka ba? Oo. Tapos one time, umattend siya. Testimonial event, doon sa lunch Esplanade. Nakaupo siya sa unahan, tapos iyak siya ng iyak. Kasi may nag-testimony doon na may sakit na katulad ng sakit ni Tito Ronnie, yung husband niya namatay. Bakit buhay ka? Sabi ko, ayos, yari na. Huli. Diba? So that's how we started. Baro strength. Again, this, guys, Reway is asking us to produce leaders, not sales. Because leaders stay. Customers come and go. Guys, allow me to, with no offense, allow me to say this. We are looking not sick people. Hindi tayo naghahanap ng may sakit. Ang hinahanap natin ay yung may pangarap. Kasi yung may pangarap, makakatulong yun sa mga may sakit. Kasi yung may sakit, ang uunahin nun, siya ay gumaling. Guys, am I practical? This is the way this business grows. You know what will happen if you are product focused? You will sacrifice the very bottom of your organization. They will just wish and they will not grow. The worst thing that can happen is if you are a leader who bought a lot of products and you made them a salesman and a saleswoman, you deprive them from growing as a leader. That's the reason why you tell us every single group of mine, none among them pinagbenta ko ng produkto. Tama ba? Wala akong pinagbenta sa kanila. Umabot ng 46 account ang account ko dahil pag may promo, bili kami ng bili. Pero hindi kailangan yun. Kailangan mo lang 5, 7. Bili kami ng bili. But none among them pinagbenta ko. Because I want them to focus on looking for leaders who will believe this. Kaya pag nag-invite ako, ganon. Before I end, sabi ko dun sa kausap ko, you know, kasi tinanong ko siya ang technique ganito uy, big time ka pala, laki pala ng ano, di ba ganun ang ano pag sinabihan mo ang tao na gano'n, ay hindi na lagi ko mong problema, di ba ganun baliktad? Pag sinabi mo, baka, alam mo, hindi maganda yan, lumipat ka dito, gaganda yung kumpanya niya. Pero sinabi mo, alam mo, kumbraso, matindi pala yung kumpanya, hindi ka, sabi kong problema, sa lalabas na lahat ng problema, di ba? Tapos, ikaw, kumusta ka? Sabi ko, alam mo, ang saya-saya ko. Ito yung negosyo, sobra kong saya. Have you seen my expression? Hindi, ito yung negosyo, ang saya. Conviction, guys. Nakuha niyo to? Ang saya-saya ko. Alam mo, all the business, naging pinatuman naging negosyo. Ito lang yung negosyo na nagkaroon ako ng confidence in the future. That I can give out. I became so generous. Alam mo dati noon, yung pamilya ko, dahil nga ito ginagawa ko, minsan pa, kuya, uwi ako dyan ay sige. Ganun lang yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi isa ko, magdadaldal naman, sisiyar mo na naman tayo. Sasabihin naman niya, magnegosyo tayo, kaya tayo hindi kumikita ng wala. Ganun Diba? Kaya pag dumatay ako ng probinsya, andiyan ko na pala. Ganun. Ngayon hindi. Pag uuwi kami, sabi ng kapatid ko, ay, uwi pala kayo, kuya. Anong ulam ang gusto nyo? Tapos, in my mother's side, mother-in-law, in my side ni Fides, kasi na-born again ako ayaw niya nung araw yan, gano'n, ayaw nila. So parang, ano sila, gano'n. Kasi yung born against din yun So ganyan, lating gulo So ngayon, iniiwasan nila ako, kasi lalo pa nagsasalita ako, ayaw na nila, gano'n. One time, nagkaroon kami ng event, party sa exclusive resort. Late kaming mag-asawa. Pagdating namin, may isa pang hindi naka-open na pagkain. Sabi ng hipag ko, Kuya Mon, hindi namin binuksan yan. Kasi alam namin, favorite mo yan. You know why like that? Because the values of Reway permeating outside. That's the reason why that is what you will sell outside. If you keep on just selling the product, one day, wala kang leader. Ang may iwan sa'yo portier. Pag binotivate mo ng motivate ang portier, mapupunta ka sa bahay na pula. Doon, sa Mandaluyong, kasi hindi yan sasagot. Nari na yung, wala akong leader. Ikaw ang natira. Kayo. do it. Pag may isang bote nagsasalita na, yes, we can do it, ibig sabihin nun, nasa ibang bukol sa langit o sa impyerno. Ganun na yun. But, kidding aside, it's about leaders. The company is barking. Claudio Ong says, is it about the product? Sabi niya, no. Is it about the platform? Sabi niya, no. What he said, it is the trust of people to us. If people know that we have these values prior to product, they will trust us and we can produce leaders upon leaders upon leaders upon leaders, and we will grow. As I end, we were in South Korea, napunta kami doon. Maraming Koreano, okay? During the meeting after the Pegasus night, that was the simple Pegasus night. Tama, Joel? Kakatabi kami. And then, sabi ni James Cho, may meeting daw kami. Akala namin kukuha ng room. No. It's not a meeting, it's only a chit-chat. Sabi ng ating general manager. And then, sinabi niya, imitate, follow the company, everybody follow, imitate lang. Kasi ang goal mo lang sa networking muna, sa umpisa, wag sales ang itulak mo. Bibigat yan. Hindi sila makaka-invite. Alam mo, nag-umpisa ako, wala akong pakialam, basta maka-invite ako. Sige, dyan. Pag andyan na kayo, madali na. O pag marami ng tao, you have a leverage. Okay? But this is what James Chong said, and I will remember. Sabi niya, you know, I was here in the Philippines. I am in the Philippines since I was a business development. He was not yet a general manager. And you know what? Hinawakan ko siya sa dito. Sabi ko, thank you for sacrificing for the Philippines. He said, no, I'm not sacrificing because I have salary. If I'm doing these things and I'm not receiving the salary, I am sacrificing. But no. But this is what he said. But you know what? Kasi supposedly, allow me to say this, dapat dadalhin sa Europe yan kasi di ba nag-i-English siya? You know what he said? No, I will not leave the Philippines until the unfinished business. Kaya din ko siya. Kaya ko siya tinanong. Sabi niya, no? But you know what? Do you think I'm here only for the management? Do you think I'm here only for you leaders? I'm here for the Philippines.
Very good.
This is what I want you to hear. Before I continue pala. Philippines has the biggest natural resources in the world. We were number 2 in economy, I think Quirino or I don't know, Magsaysay, I don't remember. We have all the chance to grow. We have everything. Kinaiingitan tayo ng ibang bansa. Taiwan, walang natural resources yan. Japan, wala yan. Hong Kong, lalo na. Singapore, lalo na wala. We could have been the biggest economy in the world if all of us has values.
Tama.
That's what missing. Eh bakit sa Korea nagliligpit sila ng kinanan? At yung mga Pilipino doon nagliligpit din. Pagdating dito, wala na. This company will change the Filipino that I'm willing to fight for. Then James Song says this. I am for the Philippines. I'm not for the management only. I'm not for you leaders only. You know why I'm here? You know guys, if each and every one of you will not just think of yourself, but think of Freeway Philippines, we can become number 1. If we will remain, not multiply our leaders with the right values, if we will remain not thinking of Freeway Philippines and saving our ash only, we cannot make this grow. But if, sabi niya, if you guys will cooperate, if you guys will cooperate, we can make Philippines number 1. And we can. Do you know that if you have two leaders that multiply into 32, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 32. You know how much you make? $500,000 naman. If you have 3 leaders, multiply mo ng 3 times 3 times 3, up to 48. Lagpas ngayon kasi 81 yung susunod eh. You know how much you will make? 1 million naman. Guys, that is the potential. Even if we don't think about it, if we will only reproduce 2 leaders, 3 leaders, 4 leaders, not only your economy will change, but the attitude of this nation will change because that is the contribution of Freeway Philippines. Yan ang contribution ng Freeway International sa atin. Kaya mahalin nyo ito kasi ito, may kaibigan ako eh, tatayo sila ng negosyo, papasosyo at Philippine Charities States. Sabi niya, bro, alam mo kung bakit gagawin namin ito? Tungo sa bagong Pilipinas. Sabi ko, ayos ah. With the Philippine Gambling Association, di ba? Tatayo daw sila. But you know what really will change our country? Let me submit this to you. This one. If we will multiply our leaders, kasi napatunayan na namin yan na Joel. Di ba? Nung dumami ang leaders namin, dumami ang pera namin.
Yeah.
Because, so what we need to bring to people is for them to trust Freeway, and we will make Freeway Philippines #1. Thank you very much.